Find or read reviews that people are talking about IWDOO 42.5-inch fish cleaning table with dual sink. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Durable and weather resistant. This folding fish station is made of 3-inch thickness of high-density HDPE and a sturdy steel frame. This fish cleaning table with a sink is built to withstand outdoor conditions and regular use. The size of the tabletop is 45 x 23 inch, it can hold up to 330 pounds, making it a reliable and long-lasting choice for your outdoor activities. 2-in-1 double sinks design. This outdoor sink serves multiple purposes, functioning as a fish cleaning station, a portable camping table, and a folding picnic table. Both sinks are deepened to 2.4 inches. Come with plugs, providing ample space for storing water to wash items such as fish, vegetables, and fruits. With its double sink lid design, you can choose between using a single or double sink or fully covering the sinks to create a solid table surface. Flexible faucet and practical features. The fish cleaning table built-in sink comes with a 360 degrees rotatable and collapsible stainless water faucet, a 3-way garden hose connector, and a spray nozzle. This allows you to have water pressure where you need it for quick and easy cleaning. The wash sink with an extended drainage hose, ranging from 15 to 34 inches, ensuring more precise water drainage into the barrel, preventing water splashes, and keeping your clothing dry. Versatile camping table. The fish cleaning table includes a 25-inch desktop scale for easy measurements, 2 knife slot holes, a side storage box, and a side drawer for added convenience. The stable grid rack provides space for camping accessories and helps keep the tabletop organized. Portable and easy assembly. This camping sink station is designed for easy portability and storage. It features a handle for convenient transportation. The table can be assembled by yourself within 10 minutes. All the accessories are contained in the package. Whether you're heading to the campsite, picnic area, or fishing spot, this table can be easily taken with you to enhance your outdoor experience. Note: water tank not included. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.